In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Airbnb. Whether you're planning a trip abroad or simply prefer navigating the Airbnb platform in a different language, adjusting your language settings can greatly enhance your experience. Let's walk through the straightforward steps to make this change with ease. Firstly, you'll want to open the Airbnb website on your computer. This is your starting point for accessing all of the features that Airbnb offers. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the menu icon, often referred to as the hamburger icon because of its three stacked lines. Click on this icon to reveal more options. Now that you've opened the menu, you'll see various options displayed. We're focusing on personalizing your Airbnb account, so you'll need to look for the section labeled Languages and Currency. Click on this to proceed to the next step in customizing your settings. Upon selecting Languages and Currency, you should notice a tab labeled Language and Region. This tab is key in altering not just the language in which you view Airbnb, but also the regional settings that can affect currency formats and other region-specific details. Click on this tab to bring up the options available to you. Next, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu displaying various languages and regions. Take a moment to scroll through the list to find your preferred language and region. With Airbnb being an international platform, it accommodates a wide variety of languages, so there's a good chance you'll find the one you're looking for. Once you've made your choice, simply click to select it. With your new language and region selected, you'll notice the page refreshes automatically. This refresh is an indication that your changes have been successfully applied. You should now see all the text on the Airbnb website in the language you chose, reflecting your updated settings seamlessly. And that's it! In just a few easy steps, you've personalized your Airbnb browsing experience to suit your preferred language and regional settings. Whether you're planning your next adventure or just browsing for inspiration, having everything in the language you're most comfortable with makes navigation smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, should you need to adjust these settings again in the future, you can follow this same process to update your language preferences at any time. Thanks for tuning in and happy travels.